goes down there. So the head is a mess, but we'll do that the next time we come, which is possibly Friday. Oh dear. Don't know if you can see any of. Right, this is a video of two halves because I've got to do the top half first and then go down onto the lower level of the scaffolding to do the other part. But there you can see new head made, and everything matches up nicely. There'll be a little bit of finishing off to do, but we need the painters in first because, believe it or not, this is all going to get painted. Curling the lead round in order that the rain would be shot away from the window as it comes pouring down from up there, or the scaffolding. You can't see much, but as you can see, there's now the rain will come down here onto here and then shoot out. That's the theory. Let's see what happens in practice. This is the other side. Yeah, tiny little detailing on there, yeah, which just makes it look less plain. Right, this is on the lower level, and if we can just show up there, draft stripping. Apparently this is all going to be painted white. Yeah. So it's been a lot of work. There you can see again. So now when the sashes are operated, yeah, they run as smooth as silk. Yeah. And that thud that you hear is the draft proofing cutting in. Yeah. And on the main window, that's the top bow coming down and going back up, and the bottom sash and back down again, and then finally, if I can do this without breaking my neck, that's it. Comes down as smooth as anything, and there we are.